All these fresh ingredients are here for you to make a very simple and healthy appetizer. To start, you will need 1 pack of fresh skinless chicken breast, followed by ginger root and garlic, cilantros for garnish, shiso leaves, and green onions. For seasoning, these are 5 of the ingredients. You will need sake, light soy sauce, rice vinegar, preferably, sushi vinegar, and of course sesame oil and toasted sesame seeds. Let's go to my herb garden. There it is. Let's look for the cilantro. I'm going to need cilantro. These cilantros are so beautiful and lusciously full. I only need a few for garnishing part of this dish. You see? Long, and it smells so good and fresh. Beautiful. Love it. Over here is where I need scallions, or some people call it green onions. One thing about growing your own herb garden or vegetable is how fresh it is, and it smells so good when you cut it. It's so rich and green, packed with nutrients, and it saves you so much money down the line. So let's cook. In a boiling pot of water, as you can see here, I already have it pre-boiled. Once it's boiled, turn the heat down to, I would say, a medium. That way it's safe for you to put the chicken breast in. Once you put your chicken breast into the boiling water, you want to add about a tablespoon of salt to the water. Now cover and bring to boil for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how thick your chicken breast is. Now what you're going to do is open the lid and add about 2 tablespoons of sake, and then you want to cover the lid back on and turn off the heat. To make the sauce, you will need 9 ingredients. Let's start with the rice vinegar. Okay, so I recommend sushi vinegar over the regular rice vinegar because it gives you a more sweet and tangy taste. There you also have soy sauce. I recommend light soy sauce. Then you're gonna need sesame oil. It's important to have, and you will also need, with the sesame oil, the toasted sesame seeds. See? Like this one. Okay. Now, remember, you can use either one of the rice vinegar you prefer, or per your preference. This is the regular one, of course. Now, for the last 5 ingredients, you can find these pickled plum at any of the Japanese market or Asian stores. If not, you can omit it. There's no need to have it. It's not necessary. Here I used two plums. In a mixing bowl, you will need 2 plums to mash it and remove the pits. Once you remove the pits from mashing the plums, they're pickled, by the way. What you want to do after it's mashed up and you remove the seeds, add 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Now, with the minced ginger, you also need about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And then about half a cup of a sliced shiso leaves, and of course about a little less than a cup, depending on how much you like on the green onion, of chopped green onions to add to that. And of course, about 1 tablespoonful of the toasted sesame seeds. If you like more, add more, you know. It really depends on preference. Everyone's different. And then, of course, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. You can see here I'm putting 2 or 1. Actually, I put 1, but you could put 2, depending on how much sauce you want. And then, of course, followed by the soy sauce. You can add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce if you like to have a lot of sauce. And last but not least, add about, I would say, 3 to 5 tablespoons of mirin. Again, it really depends on how much sauce you like. So here you can see that I put in 3. But if you like more sauce to dress your chicken, I would recommend 5. The same goes for the soy sauce. You know, I put 2, you could put 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So mix them up well and set it aside. To plate your dish, cut the chicken breast into slices and lay it over your choice of plating. Drizzle your shiso sauce over the chicken and garnish with cilantro leaves around it. You can serve it as an appetizer or with rice. It is a very healthy and refreshing dish for the summer season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, everyone.